Start.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm in a box. Just kidding. I'm right here. And today I'm going to be opening up Marsha and Mello, and don't ask why and cool words. That's something else.
Oh, come on. Tell them the reason.
And if you do, you
Well,
know.
Whatever.
It's family reasons, not Wi-Fi reasons. Yes, I got it. How can I get this?
It's going to take you 3 days just to get the hook off.
I guess it is. Can I have
And it only took her 2 months to earn it.
No, it didn't. It took me 1 week. It took me 1 week. It took me 1 week.
Yeah,
It took me 1 week. You stop lying, you liar. My mom always lies. And plus, I'm the YouTuber here, not her. So you guys should be believing me and not my mother. Because my mother doesn't know a thing about toys. Right? Mothers and fathers don't have a clue about toys. And this is a rope to throw at your mother. And maybe something not, but for fun. But you need to make sure it's not in a clump because you don't want to kill your mother.
you get to opening.
Fine. Just trying to be creepy.
You are creepy.
Was that for me to stop being creepy or what?
What?
Stop mocking me!
Mucking me.
Stop! Or else this is really coming at you.
Yeah,
Why are you not scared? Because something else might be coming after it. Me not saying what?
Mm-hmm.
You have a little sass today.
Today? I'm not scared of you, kid.
Well, you should be. You should see.
If you haven't noticed, we are in the pink room.
It's not the pink room. The cotton candy room.
Well, this wall and what they see is mostly pink. So I can get away with it.
It's the cotton candy room.
Pink room.
Cotton candy room.
Pink room.
No, cotton candy room. For the last time, it's cotton candy, not pink room. Just because they can see the pink wall doesn't mean that it's not the cotton candy room. Yes, I'm dreadful.
And we get to see the back of the box because she don't have a clue what she's doing.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
I'm trying to cut this. Without cutting the clothes. This is so hard to do without cutting the clothes. Can somebody help me?
Here. You take that.
Okay. You take those. See, my room is cotton candy. Even my fan. There's some proof that look at my desk. It's cotton candy. My room is cotton candy. There's proof. Didn't you guys see the proof? So my mom is lying, and I always tell the truth.
Pink room.
But there's proof all over my room that this is the cotton candy room. Look. So, remember, I'm the truth teller's parents are liars. On everything. trust me. Look, I even have doo-doo carton watch. Look like cotton candy. And also I have like things. Look at that. Look at those beautiful bowls. That beautiful bird. Also, so look at that beautiful donut case.
Where's the scissors go?
And look at my beautiful masterpiece. I created that. I created it.
Where'd the scissors
I created that.
Sarah, where'd the scissors go?
I don't know. Oh, right here. They were in my lap. Like right here. And I have a blanket on for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, here's my maid. How about I'm gonna try to grab Donatina. Ugh. Okay, got her. And also I pulled Greenie, or Green, I don't remember. Hey guys, it's me, Donatina. No longer Sarah, it's Donatina. Well, I'm so excited to get another candy kid. It kind of took her like about 1 week to earn her, but it took her 2 years for her to open it because her parent was late. They thought she did it for 2 years, but no. And it looked like I have blush on, but I don't. Only a little bit in the camera. It looked really hot. Who's that at my door? Marshmallow! Yay! Hey fam, it's Marshmallow here. Yup, we are the food squad basically. Just give me a sec. I just needed to put something away. I just thought I need to fix up my outfit a little. There are just some little extra pieces on me, which you don't want. So, and then here her mom is getting, she's beginning to run back the camera. So this is me, Marshmallow. And this is me, Donatina. I love you girls. I just wish I have Peppermint, Jessie Cake, and the other ones. But sadly, I don't remember their names. Yeah, that's a super bummer. That's a super bummer. That's a super bummer. That's a super bummer. Bummer. Oh, we're also rainbow cake and summer peach and like the other ones. Well, here are Donatina friends. So there's a popsicle basically. So like, I don't know. Take a bite. What does she take a bite of this? Oh. Look,
Wait a minute. It froze.